Now that we understand what SQL is, let us set up XAMPP and explore some SQL commands through it. Download link for XAMPP is given in the description below. Since I have already downloaded it, let us start with the installation. We first open the XAMPP installer.exe and allow the app to make changes. I am running my installation on Windows machine. You can use macOS as well as Linux. Now that setup has opened, we just keep pressing next and select a folder that is empty. It supports two languages, English and Dutch. You can select whatever you want. While XAMPP is installing, let me tell you some details about XAMPP. It was developed by Apache Friends in 2002. It is an open source tool that includes cross-platform support for Apache Server, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. Thus the name XAMPP. It also has support for WordPress, PhpMyAdmin, Joomla, and many other tools. It also has a file transfer protocol to send files across the internet along with various security features. It can use MariaDB and MySQL database with many other databases. Now that we have installed XAMPP, let us explore some features of XAMPP. After installing XAMPP, we can open XAMPP control panel. It provides us various services. It provides us with Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat. Apache is an HTTP server. MySQL provides SQL database server. FileZilla provides us with file transportation services. Mercury provides us email services, and Tomcat provides us a Java web framework server. To perform SQL commands using PhpMyAdmin, we need to start XAMPP Apache server and MySQL server. Then open your browser and visit localhost/myphpadmin. On left you can see all the databases that are stored in our server. On expanding, we can see all the tables that are stored in each database. On top panel, we can see all the features provided by myphpadmin. You can use database to create new databases or explore the existing databases. SQL is used to write and execute various MySQL queries. In status, you can watch over different servers, processes, and get statistics about them and monitor their performance as well. You can see all users and manage their privileges using user accounts. You can export any data into any form such as SQL, CSV, or JSON, as well as LaTeX and YML. You can import existing data from local device in any format like CSV, JSON to MySQL format. You can explore other features through documentation. For now, we have covered necessary features for our tutorial. In this section, we will perform CRUD operations, where I will show you how to create a table, read data in a table, update table, and delete rows in the table, followed by primary key, foreign key, along with join operations. SQL is a 4th generation programming language, which means that it is similar to natural language that we use to communicate. They are non-procedural in nature. It means that user only need to specify what and how to do something, and computer produces the output for you. With this, we understand why SQL is so similar to English language. We will see some data types as we go on with the tutorial. Let's perform some commands with example. We will refer this image that shows us the relationship between regional agent, customers, and orders in a database. Here every yellow key symbol represents a primary key, red diamond represents a foreign key, and white diamond is remaining data of the table.